She was stuck in the gray, caught in the rain, dreams on the shelf, heart full of pain. Then he walked in with that easy grin, and suddenly the sun broke through her skin. Every word he spoke was a spark in the dark. Every laugh lit fire to her guarded heart. Didn't plan to fall, but she's lost her grasp once more, and she's heaven bound. He makes her fly like a bird in the sky, lifting her high with every sigh. No chains, no fears, just open blue. Her world feels light when he's in view. Just one smile and she's free, soaring where she's meant to be. He makes her fly, oh, he makes her fly like a bird away from all her worries tonight. Her heart was tired, her wings were weak, but he gave her strength without words to speak. Every touch feels like wind beneath, carrying her past her disbelief. She doesn't need saving, she's found her own grace, but his love paints stars all over her space. She's weightless now, she's come alive. With his smile, she's learning to glide. He makes her fly like a bird in the sky, lifting her higher with every sigh. No chains, no fears, just open blue. Her world feels light when he's in view. Just one smile and she's free, soaring where she's meant to be. He makes her fly, oh, he makes her fly like a bird away from all her worries tonight. She never thought love could feel like this. A gentle breeze, a tender kiss. No storm can reach her, no weight can tie. She's got her wings, and he's the why. He makes her fly like a bird in the sky. With just one look, her fears subside. The world fades out, it's only him. Her soul takes flight on a whim. Just one smile and she's free, dancing through her destiny. He makes her fly, yeah, he makes her fly like a bird away from all her worries tonight. She's never coming down, he's her heaven on the ground. With his smile, her heart can't hide. She's flying high, flying high. Would you like me to make it sound more pop country or soft indie ballad in style? I can tailor the lyrics, rhythm and tone for that vibe.